G'day and welcome to my garage. Okay, let's see what happens. No good. No good. Oh well, try again. Okay, take two. Okay. We'll leave that for half an hour. Just taking a second look at that first. Why can't I try this again? It's a bit more light. Alright, just taking a second look. It's hard to see in there, I know. But the inside, this is the other side, that's the blowout side. And this is the other side. The inside here turned out pretty good. I like it. So hopefully that one will come out with a good one of those and a good on that side. That'd be nice. Well, this is the last pulley I poured. As you can see, it was another disaster. Just trying to get it so we can get some light into it. But I don't know what's going on. Try something different. Okay, let's see what the third try comes out with. Came out good here, which is where I had the other two problems. But down inside there, I've got a shrinkage problem. Just not winning. I'll have a better look when it's cold, when it's cooler. Well, I've mounted the, this is the third pulley that I cast for the belt sander. This is the third pulley that I cast for the belt sander. This is the lower pulley. Down this end will be mounted to the motor shaft. This end is not on the shaft. So the hub that it goes through is about that deep, about 40 millimeters thick, and then from there to there is an internal cone that I cast, and this is the one where I had problems right down in the bottom. I got deformation in that casting, but out of the three, this is the only one that's a candidate for recovery, and that's what I'm trying to do now. So I'll bring you around and I'll show you in there, but you won't see any machining going on because I've got to look down a 70 millimeter recess to the cutting point. That's I've got a boring bar in there at the present moment. It's fully extended. So let's bring you around. I'll see if I can get a shot down the throat. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Whoops, not like that. Won't focus because it's black down there. Well, there we go. And for me to see, I need to use a torch. There you might be able to see that I'm trying to recover the inside. We'll see how we go. Well, I can't see the tool itself without sticking my head way down there somewhere. So I'm watching the resulting cut on the other side. If it looks blurry to you, don't worry. It's blurry to me also. That's if you can see. I've put an 8mm pilot hole down the centre of this, and this is now a 14mm. This will allow me to get the boring bar in to finish off the bottom. The thickness down the bottom there is about 35 to 40mm. Right, I can get the boring bar in there again now. I've got about 1 thou run out there. Yeah, about 1 thou. Might be 3. What have I got? 77. 79. That's 2 thou. Alright, it's running true. Remember, I drilled it through. I've turned it around. That's why I'm realigning it. But when it was the other way, I drilled it through. Never trust the drilling. I suppose that makes it worse now, you can't see a thing, of course. That has a bit of run out. Doesn't matter, I drilled it at 14, it's got to go out to 15.8. So I've got a little bit of room to clean that up, centre it. Okay. I'll set the tool up for cutting that face. I can't quite get to the middle. I haven't got enough travel as it is. I'm working too far out on the compound as it is. So we'll just put a file over the bridge. And I can take another couple of thou off that. What was it? About 107, 8, about 108, about 54 I've got to be, which is that line. Bit gnarly on the edge there. Okay, that'll do for the moment. I'll do something with the ball, and I still have to shorten this a little bit. Now I made this pulley too long or too wide, by 7 to 10 millimeters too long. I did that on purpose because I thought I'd be machining some of the ends off to clean it up. So that's the natural end up there. I haven't machined that, but I'm leaving that because that came up good. But this end here had the potholes in the road, the gas bubbles. So this line here makes it 100 millimeters, and that's what I need for the belt. So I'm machining a step down to here, and I don't want to shorten the hub because it's only 35 millimeters deep, so I don't want to shorten that. So I'm only taking it down to this step. So let me continue. It's a little bit at a time because there's a lot of hangout. just got to bore that out to fit the motor shaft. Okay, let's see what we've got. I'm after 15.75. 15.72. I'll leave it at that setting and run it through another time. Oh, hang on, am I after? No, wait a minute. Yeah, I got 15.7. So, yeah, I'll run it through another time. And then we'll have to see if it fits, which means I've got to take it out of there. Not keen to do that. But I can't pick the electric motor up. So I'll put you out of the way and I'll just quickly run through that. So this has been machined, hopefully to the correct size. So it came up nice down inside the cup. It's all the potholes are gone. It looks pretty good. So let's go and see how it fits on the shaft. That's good. I think that will do nicely. I've got to find the nut and washer. I think it's over in one of the ice cream containers. But that came up nice. And by machining this step in the back, I've got more clearance now for this, but that should have fitted in there anyhow, which it did, but there's only about 2mm clearance. Now I've got a lot more clearance. That'll be interesting to cast. My my moulding boxes aren't, my biggest one still isn't long enough for this. I have to extend it about 50mm. But I've got another pulley to make the top pulley, the other one. So I'm happy with that. I'll find a socket later and bolt this up. See how it spins. Alright, that's excellent.